Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm at 22A Greenclose Road in Ilfracombe, just in behind me here. It's a very spacious 3/4 bedroom maisonette arranged over 2 floors and located very conveniently in the centre of town, close to the high street and amenities and close to the seafront as well. Now, one of the big features here is the space that you get. It really is huge and value for money is exceptional. The other real feature is the outside space that this property's got. It could be used as garden or it could be used as off-road parking, which is really unusual for properties so close to the town centre. Now add to that it comes with no onward chain. It really is an excellent buy in this market. So let's take a look around now. Here we are then, we're inside the property now, just come into its own sort of entrance. So you've got your own entrance, it's not a communal entrance here. You come in through your own door, you've got this decent sized lobby, electric meters and things in the cupboards there, and then plenty of room for coats, boots and shoes. And the stairs then lead up to where the accommodation starts on the first floor. So this is a maisonette. So it's like a house within a house, with accommodation arranged over 2 floors on the first and second floors. So you've got this sort of split level landing here, lovely staircase with the spindle balustrade there, really nice feature, typical of the Victorian era of course. So you've got lounge at the front with another either 4th bedroom or reception room there, and then at the rear we've got the bathroom, separate toilet which is just on the left, and then the kitchen directly ahead there. What we'll do is we'll go down this way first actually, and we'll start in the kitchen. The cupboard incidentally on my left there is a really good size. There's the boiler for the central heating and hot water in there, and plenty of storage space as well for things like the vacuum cleaner and the ironing board and all the day-to-day essentials that you need. Now it's a nice modern kitchen in here. You can see plenty of fitted units, and we've got some integrated appliances too. So we've got the gas hob, the oven underneath, the extractor canopy there. As I say, lots of storage. And as I spin around to show you the other side, we've got the sink there. There's provision underneath for either a dishwasher or a washing machine, of course, just in those 2 gaps there. Probably a tumble dryer as well, depending on what you want as a preference there. So this is at the rear of the building, the kitchen, but it's a really nice, it's a good sized and modern kitchen in here, all well equipped. So moving back down through, we've got the bathroom on this side. So you can see the hand basin there, you've got the bath, and up above the bath, we've got the shower as well. And then across the hallway here, we've got a separate toilet. So a little hand basin there. As I come in around behind, just the toilet in there as well. So very handy on the floor in which you sort of tend to spend most of the time during the day. Across to the front part of the landing, this is a lovely room, really light filled, big spacious room this. You've got the bay window which really sort of amplifies that space. And as I sort of just come into the room here, you get a sense of the space and the size, you know, plenty of room for all your furniture in here. So this could be a lounge diner very easily, you know, room for dining table and chairs, sofas, armchairs, you know, TV, all of the things that you would want, of course, in your lounge. But just adding to the flexibility of this space, this door here interconnects through into another decent sized room. So there's 2 ways into here, as you'll see. There's the other door that comes in from the landing space there. So the door to the lounge could be closed off, and then this could easily be bedroom number 4, because as you'll see in a second, we've got 3 big bedrooms upstairs. Or it could be a reception room, it could be a separate dining room, it could be an office, it could be a kiddie's playroom. You know, there's all manner of things that you could do in here, but it's just great to have the choice and the extra space, of course. So just one last look into the lounge again before we head upstairs, and I'll show you the bedrooms. I'm just making my way up now to the top floor then, the final floor in the property, and you'll see that lovely staircase again that takes you up to the top floor here. So we've got 3 bedrooms on this floor, of varying different sizes, but all generous sizes, 2 doubles and a single here. It's a nice sort of light-filled landing this, views from the rear out over towards the Tors and Cairn across the town there. So the 3 bedrooms then, as I say, good sized, generous sort of double room here. This one's at the rear of the building. And of course, as I say, the views out the back across the town towards the Tors and the Cairn there are really quite pleasant as well. So, you know, you're in the centre of the town here, but, you know, it's nice to have that pleasant open outlook. So just giving you the aspect from this side of the room. Plenty of room in here, as I say, for the bed, wardrobes, all the furniture and things that you need. This is the smallest bedroom. It's a single room in here. Could be a little office or something like that if you wanted it to be. You know, it's very unusual to get a maisonette with 4 bedrooms. So this is one of the larger properties of its type that you will see. So, you know, really good value for money here. You know, when you look at the price versus the amount of accommodation that you get. And as I've already said, it really is like a house within a house, probably bigger than most houses that you will find, certainly at the similar price range. Just excuse a few little bits that are left in this room, but this is probably the main bedroom, I would guess, if you wanted it to be up on this floor. It's a nice room, this, at the front of the property, but probably the biggest of the 3 up here. Plenty of room for all of your bits and bobs again. Just give you the aspect from this side. So yeah, another good sized bedroom. So there we are, that pretty much concludes our internal tour now of 22A Greenclose Road. I'll just quickly show you the garden and then we'll be done. Just the final part of the tour then, we're back out at the front now. You'll see the building there directly ahead of us. It's a nice attractive Victorian building with the bay windows on the front. Obviously our 2 floors are the top 2 floors, so middle and top there. And down the side here, now this is where you really score, because this is a parking area. So you've got the gap there through at the side, and all of the paved area that you see ahead here is part and parcel of 22A Greenclose Road. So you've got the gates on the front here to be able to close it off and create a bit of extra privacy if you want to. And then this space could be used as a garden or obviously parking. So you can get a car down the side here. And the flat owns right the way down to the wooden fence that you see at the back there. Now the ground floor flat does have a right of access across here, but it is only literally a right of pedestrian access. But you could technically get 2 cars down the side of here, which, you know, for property so close to the town centre is a real rarity. Alternatively, you know, have it as a little bit of garden area to sit out in, or if you've got a dog or something like that, at least the dog can maybe run around out here with the gates closed and things like that. So it's a really great little area, a good space, and something that you don't see a lot of in flats in general, and certainly not so close to the town centre as well. So just give you the final aspect from here, and then that concludes our tour of 22A Greenclose Road.